guys, it's Jade, and today I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial of the Meloche X Sugar Rush Tarte palette. Just a quick look of it. It is a mix of both bronzers, highlighters, and blushes. Very simple. I'm excited to try it, so let's get started. So for my foundation, I'm using the Tarte Found Sealer in the shade Porcelain Beige. For this one, I am going to apply it focusing on my cheeks, forehead, chin, and nose. This one is a pretty medium coverage, so some blemishes may come through, but that's how I prefer it. As for my concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Porcelain Beige, focusing on my under eyes, chin, and forehead, just covering up any other blemishes that I may have on my face. For the brows, I am using my Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Now getting into the palette, for the bronzer, I'm going to be using the shade Beachin, applying it to just below my cheekbone, my forehead, and then my jawline, just to highlight any areas and contour on my face. For the blush, I'm going to be using the palette as well, the lighter shade of the blush, that is Stardust Oasis, just focusing on the apples of my cheeks and then going upward. For the highlighter, I am using the To Go from the Meloche palette, just focusing on right above where I put my blush on my cheekbone, then on my forehead where I applied the bronzer earlier, on the tip of my nose, and then the Cupid's bow. Alright, so then for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the palette. The first color I'm going to go in with is the Beachin, which is the bronzer that we used earlier. I'm going to pack it into my crease and just to make that ombre effect. So we're going to start darker and get lighter, just applying it to both eyes. The next color that I'm going to go in with is kind of also a bronzer, but it also has some sparkle in it with highlight, and that is the color Shell Yeah. Just applying that to the corner of my eyes and blending it with the crease. Next, I'm going in with the highlighter color, that is the To Go, just applying it to my inner eyelid and blending it out to the other two colors. I'm going to apply that same color to my inner tear duct, just to give an extra sparkle, and then also on my waterline. As for the mascara, I am using the Lancome Monsieur Big. And for lips, I'm just applying some Mint Lip Balm by Mario Badescu. Don't know if I said that right. Alright, so lastly, for the review of the actual palette, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and made out of recycled materials. So that's awesome for Hannah and Tarte. Great job there. It's also just beautiful. Like, the shades are amazing. Like, so diverse, and it's easy to use, which I think is amazing. I'll just throw it in my purse, take it anywhere I need to go just to highlight some areas, define the face a little bit. And I mentioned this earlier, it smells like cookies, so I just feel like that's a bonus, like Girl Scout cookies or something. Like, but I would recommend this to anyone who's contemplating buying it. Just go for it. $25. About mine at Ulta, I walked in, it was like right there on the display, so I went for it and I do not regret it. Alright, so if you have any questions about this palette or any of the other products that I used today, feel free to comment below. And then if you guys like this video and want to see more just like it, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye guys!